dear viewers, today will be very interesting tests. Today will be test with this Trangia burner. And the other day I got a question, how much fuel possible to fill in and how long it will burn. And I couldn't answer exactly this question. I say maybe it's 25 minutes, maybe 30, maybe 20 minutes. I could answer really. So today we'll check. And we'll check the three things. First of all, how much possible to fill in grams, how long it will burn, and how much water possible to boil during its burn time. So let's start. First we will fill in fuel in it, and we will measure how much fuel we fill in. Now we put it on 0. Trangia recommend to fill 2/3 of, but we will just fill in. We'll wait until it will go down a bit, because I think it takes some time for it to go down, and then we'll fill more. Right now it's 88 grams. We just wait a bit and we'll see. We'll shake it a bit. It's actually not going down much, so we will wait a bit more and then we'll see. It looks like we had filled it in completely. Okay, so we'll not wait more. I think it's 88 grams we managed to fill in, so, and that's what we will test. So we'll put it here and we will start burning. First we will just set the timer. So we start it. So let it burn a bit, so to achieve power, maximum power. And we will prepare water. We will fill in our usual 1 liter. It's about 1 minute past now. We'll just wait a bit more. Okay, let's put it on fire. Volume in, 88 grams. It's 4 minutes 31 seconds past. What is really good in Spirit Burners is absolutely silent. You know, I cannot even hear the sound of the flame, just a little bit, basically nothing. So far 6 minutes 57 seconds past. It's 10 minutes 38 seconds past and water starts a little bit evaporating. That's how it's look on infrared camera, and temperature of water right now is about 78 degrees inside. Now it's going to 81. It's past 14 minutes 50 seconds for the moment. The water is 86 degrees right now. Right now water is 88.9. As you hear, it starts coming this noise of pre-boiling. It's 17 minutes 25 seconds now. Water was about 19 degrees. 18 minutes 32 seconds passed. Temperature of water 95 degrees at the moment. Water is about boiling. It's like 100 degrees showing on camera. Actually, water is ready, first liter. So we will take it away and fill in the other portion. So for the first liter it was enough for us, about 20 minutes. Now we start the second liter. Only one charge of the Trangia Burner. Water at the moment is 40 degrees. And we just look how much fuel inside. It's like maybe, it's look like 2/3 are already gone. More than a half definitely. It's past 22 minutes. 1 liter is ready and we are boiling the second one. It's 23 minutes past. The temperature of the water is 60 degrees right now. And there is still fuel remaining. 25 minutes. Temperature of water 68.9 degrees. It's still quite a lot of fuel inside. So right now it's past 26 minutes. So far as I remember, on Trangia webpage it's written that this alcohol burner works for 25 minutes on one charge, but look like it's more. It's 26, 27 at the moment, and still there is a lot of fuel. I think it's for definitely to boil this second liter of water it will be enough, maybe even more. It's 78 degrees water. 27 minutes past. Now water is 85 degrees. Now comes this pre-boiling sound of water. It's 28 minutes 55 seconds past. The water is 90 degrees. It's exactly 30 minutes at the moment, and temperature of the water is about 95 degrees. Actually the water is close to boiling. Now the water is 103 degrees. And it's boiling. So we'll put another portion. And still there is enough maybe to heat up the water definitely for the third time. Each portion of the water is the same temperature. It's from the same canister. I will check. I think it's still, maybe it even will be enough to boil a third liter of water. We'll see. So far it's 32 minutes 55 seconds. Right now the water is 38 degrees. And it's 33 minutes past. We are boiling third liter of water. We will see if it will be enough alcohol to heat it up to 100 degrees. Let us check. I think it's still. Most probably for the second boil we use half of the volume what is right now there. We'll see. Most probably it could be enough for the third boiling. The most difficult part was the first one, because at that moment we had to heat up the whole system. I mean the burner itself and also the pot. Second and third boiling we actually put in the hot pot the water, so that's why it's much faster. 34 minutes passed. Of course, right now conditions is excellent for the boiling of water, because it's actually maybe 22-3 degrees in this room, and also there is no wind, so of course it's perfect conditions. Of course outside it will be different, and water most probably will be much colder if you will take it out from the lake or somewhere. So of course we have to think about that as well, but for the moment we just do the test in these conditions. So far it's 35 minutes past, and the water is 57 degrees. Still enough fuel. It's 37 minutes past. The temperature of the water is 67.5 degrees. We still have some fuel there. "39 minutes past. Temperature of the water right now 77 degrees. It's 41 minutes past. Right now the temperature of the water 87 degrees. 42 minutes. Temperature is about 92 degrees. Now it's 43 minutes 57 seconds. Temperature is 97.2 degrees. It's very close to boiling, and I think we will manage to boil 1/3 liter of water. The water is actually very close to boiling now. Right now it shows constant. It's 104 degrees. Now actually the water is ready. So I will continue test. We'll put more water and we'll see how much we achieve. It's actually fourth portion of water we'll put in, but it's look like it's nearly empty. But we will see how much we can boil this one part. At least what kind of temperature we'll achieve in this one. So far it's 45 minutes past since we started it. Actually it's 46 minutes. We managed to boil 3 liters of water. And right now the 4th liter definitely will not be boiled, but at least we will see how actually much we can raise the temperature in this pot with the water. So at least we can use this water to wash the plates and cups after our camping. So far there is some fuel left. There is 46 minutes 36 seconds. Right now it shows temperature 42 degrees. So far it's 47 minutes 33 seconds. Temperature in the pot, in the water, 48 degrees. There is a bit of fuel left. It's impressive actually, 48 minutes. I think definitely we can take this one fill in a warm, not windy day with us, and it will be enough for us for the whole day to cook. Four people can have 3 times coffee, for sure. 1 cup each. 49 minutes. It's still some fuel and it's still burning. So far I'm using denaturated alcohol, which I bought in an ordinary construction shop. It's 50 minutes past. It's still burning, but it's coming to an end, I think. And right now the temperature is actually 64.6 degrees. But I hear some kind of sound. It looks like it's coming to an end, this burning of the fuel. But it's 50 minutes, 50 seconds at the moment, and the water is over 60 degrees, the 4th liter of water. It's at the moment 67.8. It's still burning, but the flame comes to an end. It's 51.28 seconds. You see, flame is actually dying. But for me this result is quite impressive. I think for the good summer day, without wind, 50 minutes is good. Of course it will be colder day and colder water. Definitely it can come down to 30 minutes or 25 minutes, as actually shown us on Trangia website. But we know now we know actually how its reality can be, if it's warmer day or perfect conditions. Now it's stopped burning. Actually, we stopped the timer, so it's about 52 minutes past, and temperature of the water is 68 degrees. So we will put these results on paper. It's 22 degrees in the room, and it's 52 minutes boiling time, and we managed to produce plus 1 liter to, it was 67 so far, I remember, to 67 degrees. Okay, so we did a test, we got results actually, and now we know that actually we use 88 grams and it will boil for 52 minutes, and it can be as long as possible to boil 3 liters of water and 1 liter to 67 degrees. So, but that's actually perfect conditions right now, because temperature here is high, and actually water is also, I think, room temperature from the beginning, and also actually no wind around. So, but so far we know how it is, and maybe it will help us in our travelings. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.